Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Whitewater and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Wales, Delafield, Okaukie Lake, downtown Waukesha, Palmyra, North Prairie, Dousman, Lapham Peak State Park, Millard, Tibbetts, LaGrange, Hebron, Troy Center, Rome, Eagle, National Weather Service Sullivan, Milwaukee, Sullivan, Genesee and Genesee Depot. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This is NOAA's weather